Hi my friend, nice to see you again. This is caller Slu from HUNAN ZLCONN HDD Machine. Today, I'd like to introduce our 80-ton HDD machine to you. And here is the machine. I will take you for a tour around the machine. Okay, let's start part by part. This part is the rice jar and each cylinder, and here this part we can control the crane by the joysticks here, and our machine is adapting the racket pillar type. We use the ZL610 raw material racket pillar, and this is a boom. You can see the thickness of our boom. It's much stronger than any other brands. For a crawler, we use steel track with rubber pad on it, so it can fit for any ground condition. And here is the motor part, push and pull motor. For the motor, we use all imported motors. You can see how big the motor are. It stands for the strongness of our machine. The motor number 1234, and here is the motors 1, 2. Let me have a look at the machine from the back. And let me take you for a look at the machine from this side. Okay, here is a slurry pump. We have two options for the slurry pump. The first one is 650 liter, and we provide another option, 800 liter slurry pump, when you need to go for a big project. For the grill, we use the big grill so you can have better ventilation than other brands. There will be no issue of overheating. Let me take a look at the inside. The common cylinder, the ventilation fan, the hydraulic pump, use the closed cabin with air conditioner. For the cabin, we provide the big LCD screen. And we will provide remote controller and this beautiful sofa. Okay, so this is our machine. Welcome to contact us for price, and see you next time. Thank you.